Who's telling you the story? And more importantly, can you trust them? Every book you read is a carefully controlled experience, and the narrative voice is the director. The simplest choice is perspective. First person puts you right inside a character's head, but you're restricted to what they know. Third person is more flexible, pulling the camera back to show a broader world. But this is where writers get clever with the flow of information. Is that third-person narrator omniscient, a godlike figure who knows everyone's secrets? Or are they limited, locked inside the head of just one character? Choosing a limited view is a powerful way to create suspense. We only know as much as the protagonist, so we're surprised right alongside them. Writers add another layer called focalisation. Think of it as an internal camera. A story might be told in third person, but seen through a child's eyes, so the vocabulary and observations match their understanding. This leads to the most thrilling tool in a writer's kit, the unreliable narrator. Here, your job as a reader fundamentally changes. You stop just listening and start investigating. Is the person telling the story a liar, intentionally twisting the facts? Are they naive, too innocent to grasp the adult situations around them? Or is their perception of reality fundamentally broken? You have to hunt for contradictions, for the gaps between what the narrator says and what actually happens. The writer is no longer just your guide. They've handed you a mystery, and you're the detective.